Handy Hudsonite here. I'm going to show you how to reset a flashing maintenance required light in a Honda. I have a Honda Odyssey, and I'm going to show you how to reset that very easily right after this. The maintenance required light will flash when there is a maintenance operation that's needed, like changing the oil, some other simple procedure, and it comes on at intervals that have been pre-programmed by the manufacturer. I just simply forgot to reset it the last time I changed the oil, which was recently, so I'm just going to show you how to turn that off so that it will be reset and won't come back on again until the next time the oil needs to be changed. So let me show you how to do that. The way you want to do this, and I actually can't do this while I'm trying to hold the phone, is you want to hold in this select reset button, and while you're holding that in, turn the ignition. You want to turn it to position 2, and you can see the positions there in the ignition. Position 3 would be the starting position. So you want to turn it to position 2 while you're holding in the select reset button, and you want to hold that for about 10 seconds, and that should clear up the flashing maintenance required symbol. So I'm going to do that here, and then we'll see whether the maintenance light comes on when I start it. Okay, so I'm holding in the select the maintenance reset button here for about 10 seconds. You can see that maintenance required light, it was flashing, now it's off. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, it's been about 10 seconds, so I'm going to release it. Okay, let's turn this back off. Okay, now let's see. Usually when I would turn this on, that maintenance required light was flashing. Now it's not. So we know that it has been reset successfully. So that is how you reset the maintenance required flashing light. I appreciate you watching the Handy Hudsonite, where I give you tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more content from me, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.